Hi, in this video we'll learn how to split textual data apart. For this we will consider that we have obtained from a CSV file this type of info, and now we want to split from one cell to many cells based on comma character, because we see that we have comma after each word on each row. That will help us to split based on this character. So I will erase this blank space. So now first of all we select the column, going to Data tab, and on the top right you have Text to Columns, which will help us to split from one column to many columns. Then you can choose delimited or fixed width, but the second option is not good for us because we have different length of our characters. We have 4 numbers on some IDs and 5 numbers on other IDs, so that will not help us. In our case we will use delimited options. Click next, and then we have the delimiters options characters. We have comma for our case, and as you can see we have a data preview where you can see the future columns format. On the last menu we have column data format if we want to have a text, date, or general, or only the skip part of our import column. So if you want, you cannot import the column, but we'll use general because it's the most used. Finish, and now we have all the columns that we need. So we have ID, country, first, last name. But in the next step I also want to split the first and last name column into one column with first name and one column with last name. And for this we're gonna use again the text to columns. I will click the column, go to Data tab, Text to Columns, again delimited because we also have different length of text. Next, and this time I don't have comma in my text, so I will select Other, and here I will put the hyphen. Data preview already done, so next I will keep the general format, finish, and as you can see now we have separately first and last name for each person. So I'm going to put some border to make more readable, and a color for the headline.